You know, the tones are fully activated. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a outfit video. I decided to go to National Liquidators and pick out some outfits. This is what I got from National Liquidators for the Lolo. You feel me? We love that. First I got the fedora. This was $4, $3.99. Then I got two jeans, both $8. And they fit amazing. These are from the men's section because that's where you need to go when you go to National Liquidators. Well, for me, the female section don't got much, and the rest is basically tops. I got this sweater. It's actually soft. It's really soft and stretchy. Got this brown mocha long sleeve. And I also got this sweater. This was once $13 and now it is $7. It's on clearance. I got this plaid button down, and then I got this graphic tee. Okay, I feel like I could do a lot with these. This could be an inside shirt over a piece of jacket and whatnot. So the next clip you will see is me styling these outfits. I don't know how many outfits I can get out of these, but we gonna see and we gonna enjoy it. Okay, this is the first outfit. I used the graphic sweatshirt and then I paired it with the jeans pants. That alone can be an outfit. And then I also tied the back of the shirt. I love this outfit a lot. You guys might see me in them outside. Don't come at me. So I paired it with a blazer that I had in my closet, an oversized blazer. Outfit number 2 is this mocha top with the same jeans. And then I add the hat to spice it up a bit. I'm pairing it with this bag I got from Shein. I love these jeans. I love the way they fit. And then that's when I also decided to pair it with the fedora because listen, Michael Jackson up in here. The next outfit is with this plaid shirt. I decided to do like a cowgirl tie at the front because the shirt is big enough. I also can wear this multiple ways. These are the second pair of jeans I got from the men's section. The key is to go in the men's section. Everything here is from National Liquidators minus the bag and the shoes. So I put this sweater over this button down that I tied up here. Just the versatility, and the jeans really fit well. I like the wash of these jeans. It's just everything, you know what I mean? So this is the next top. This is obviously an outfit too, really simple, really nice. This is the jacket that I added to it. I got this jacket from Shein. You know, the tones are fully activated. Still got my Air Forces on. Hey guys, so I forgot to do an outro, so this is me doing the outro right now. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to share this video, like this video, and comment down below and tell me what was your favorite outfit. My favorite got to be the one with the fedora and the graphic tee. I love those. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. While we're here, don't forget to subscribe. This page, I made it long because obviously the video is short. I made it long so that you are reminded to subscribe, share this video, tell a friend to come watch this video. I enjoy doing these videos. If you have any suggestions, Just leave them down below if you're still watching and not clicked off. Comment down below, tell me any suggestion on any videos that I should do, and I will take them into consideration.